everyone, welcome back. My name is Catherine, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. My boyfriend Parker and I are currently traveling across the US, and we are in Austin, Texas as our first stop. We use this channel to document our experiences, so thanks for joining. And on this week's episode, we went to Austin City Limits Music Festival, checked out some new taco trucks and coffee shops, caught some really cool drone footage, and we moved locations. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Thank you. Picked up an iced matcha. Do you want a sip of grass, Parker?
Nope.
Thought it would be fun to do a little unpacking grocery haul of what we got at the store. This was a bigger grocery shopping trip because we had no ingredients at all in this house. So let's look what's in our fridge.
One time.
This past weekend, Parker and I went to Austin City Limits, or ACL, which is a 2-weekend, 3-day festival each weekend that hosts about 450,000 attendees each year. And they feature a diverse lineup of artists while staying true to their Texas country roots. ACL is derived from the TV show, which is actually the longest running music television series on PBS. The festival takes place at Zilker Park. Many people Uber to the event. We Ubered about half a mile away and walked the rest, and then each night we walked about 4 miles home. Lots of people also scootered.
And the lines were only like an hour long the first day because it rained a lot the night before, so the grounds are really wet. What ACL does is they play one headliner at 4, and then they place the other headliners at the end of the day, so that you have to be in the festival at 4, because otherwise you wouldn't get there till probably 6. We had a good time at ACL. It wasn't the greatest lineup, but there were a couple people we really wanted to see, like Rüfüs Du Sol, Miley Cyrus, Alison Wonderland, Machine Gun Kelly, and I think they all lived up to the hype. I think Miley Cyrus had the best performance.
Yes.
She's definitely not my favorite musician. It doesn't really matter when you're at a festival. It's like whatever you have fun doing, and that's why I like going to EDM shows so much. Yeah, some of them might just hit a button, but isn't the real reason for me just to have fun. Alison Wonderland, she had a live drum line there, kind of reminded me of the Odessa tour a few years back. And Rüfüs Du Sol, they always have really cool visuals.
And Miley played songs from all of her albums. She didn't play any Hannah Montana, but she had Hannah era songs like 7 Things. And Thee Stallion was really funny. She brought girls up on stage and guys. Miley Cyrus came out and surprised everyone. And Billie Eilish and Shawn Mendes were backstage as well. But
I didn't see anyone do that since I saw Macklemore in 2015, and then going to see Chet Faker right after was a good time also.
I probably won't go again. I'm glad I experienced it.
Probably wouldn't travel for it unless the lineup is like ridiculously good, which I know people say this was a down year, which is expected because of COVID.
Stevie Nicks was supposed to perform.
Real star of the show.
It's just recognizing my face more than your face.
Why is it like my eye, and not your eye, not my face, but your face? You gotta redo that also.